like, you look like you have a filter on and you don't. She was like, you gotta get this. So I Balenciagas. Hello you all, and welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, I have a few things from Sephora. This is a very long overdue video. I purchased these items, if you go back maybe 3 videos prior to this one, maybe 4. I had showed you all I went to the mall, I went to Apple store, I had to get my laptop fixed and all that. So that's when I went to Sephora. But I did have to return something, so I wanted to wait until I did that. And of course that took so long to do. But anyway, we want to get started. So my older daughter had texted me and was like, Ma, guess who have a new foundation out? And I was like, who? She was like, Lady Gaga. I was like, stop playing. She was like, Ma. And when I say, like, you look like you have a filter on and you don't, she was like, you gotta get this. So I purchased the Haus labs. And what number? Let me get my readers, y'all. Y'all know I cannot see anything this small without my readers. So I got the shade 340 medium cool. Now what had happened was, when we went to the store, it was so crowded that day in the store that, I mean, it was chaos. And so I believe that this was the shade I was supposed to get, but the young lady gave me a darker shade. And I kept looking at the box and I was like, this looked too dark. I mean, it was darker than this color, you all. I was like, this looks too dark. And so then finally, after maybe a week or so, I tried it on and I was like, oh no. I look like I had a tan for days. Not my shade. And I think I told you I'm trying to find the right shade. So hopefully this is it. But I'm on a journey to find the right shade of makeup and also the right shade concealer. Now, I did my face earlier, not feeling it too much. I had a service to go to, but it worked out. It's fine, whatever. So anyway, I got this. I haven't tried it yet. And the second thing that I got from Haus Labs is the concealer. So these two look like they match to a T, pretty much. So hopefully they do work. Again, we will try and see. And I also got these topical under the eye patches. I did try them. I do like them. I'm almost out. So I will need to be repurchasing these. I do like them. I don't know how much that they really work. I haven't seen like a huge difference, but I need to use them more consistent to see any difference. And what else I got in here? So I purchased these two from The Ordinary. I've heard great things about these from TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, all that good stuff. So one is the hyaluronic acid B%, 2% B5. So that's this one. So this would be more so of a moisturizer because it has hyaluronic acid in it. And this one is the niacinamide 10% and zinc. And this is just good for overall skin health as well, for like blemishes, you know, to help with your complexion and things like that. So I purchased these two. And let me do this. I'm going to try this one on because y'all know I already told y'all I have sensitive skin. So this one is the hyaluronic acid one. So I'm going to just put like a drop, just a drop on my arm. Oh, I already like how that feel, y'all. If y'all can see that, look at that. I don't know if y'all can see, but I just like how it feels on my skin. Oh, that feels really good. Okay, so one of them I like already. And the second one is the, what I say this one was? The niacinamide, 10%. So I'm going to put that one just a little further up right here. Put that right there. So while I'm talking to y'all, I'm trying to see if there's any, oh, this feels good too. Trying to see if there's any reaction. I don't know if y'all can see that. So this is the niacinamide. So these two together should be really good to help me get my skin back together. Long story short, I have eczema. I've been using a steroid on my face since I was a child, 6, 7, 8 years old, and I feel like it has discolored my skin. So I'm trying to use something for sensitive skin, but something that will kind of give me a more clear, a more, what's the word? Like my skin just to be like one shade, like just to, you know, blend everything in, if you will. So that's why I purchased that. Something else I got was some sunscreen. This is the, how do you pronounce this? Y'all see me squinching. Oh, Supergoop sunscreen. So let me try this on too, because I'll know in a few minutes if it's something that will break me out. So I'm gonna put this on my hand, because again, y'all, this is Sensitive Skin Nanny over here. Okay. Doesn't have a smell, but I like how it feels on my hand. If y'all can see that. So yeah, I like that. So again, so far, arms okay. I just put this one on, so we will see. So I just, like I said, I just wanted to pick up a few things. The next thing is this Bobbi Brown. This is the vitamin enriched face base. So you can put this on, just put it on your skin, you know, for moisturizer or before you do your makeup as a base. Not, what is that? Not, oh, I can't think of it. I'll put it in. But before you put your makeup on, you put that on. I should know this, and I do, but I'm just having a brain, you know, lapse. So anyway, so I'm going to try this on. I'm going to put it right here. I'm going to do like this so y'all can see it. This smells good. Okay. Why? I'm still trying to think. Moisturizer. It's the stuff that you put on your skin to make your face like a little sticky. I don't know why I can't think of it, but anyway, that's what you can use this for. And it smells good. So I just wanted to get a sample. Isn't it so cute, y'all? I want to get a sample just to see if I like it, because there's no sense of spending money on stuff, and especially these pricey products, if you do not like them. And last but not least is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I've had this before, and it smells so good, you all. So good. It smells so good. I don't know if you all remember when I did my declutter video, and I showed I have a small bottle. Well, that bottle was empty, so I had to replace it. And this smells so good. So that is, yep, that's it for the Sephora haul. But wait a minute, I have a surprise. Give me 1 minute. Okay, y'all, I know I said I will be right back, but I had a dinner date. So I went out, came back in. As y'all can see, I changed really quick. Just threw on this t-shirt and some pajama pants. That's my leftover food. Let me close these blinds. All right, y'all. So this is a long overdue package. And how do I open it? Remember I was having trouble the last time? Oh. Okay, so I guess it's this. Let me get this together. Uh-oh. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's it. I am learning. Okay, all right, y'all. So look how Balenciagas. Wait for it. Let me move this. This box is heavy. All right, y'all. So these are the, I'm not even gonna try and read that. But anyway, again, Balenciaga. All right, so this is the receipt, I'm sure. Let me see if I can get it out. It's a little card. No, it's just a card. Okay. I thought the receipt was in here, but it's not. Okay, that should probably be on something, but we'll see. All right, so this is how they came packaged. Cute. And let's see what we have here. Y'all, I hope I like these. If not, I will be returning them, but I hope I like them. Okay. So here we go. So now I'm going to try these on. I'm gonna have to flip the camera around. Give me 1 second. Okay, y'all. Yeah, it's a no for me. Do y'all see, first of all, do y'all see how, look at the front part. Look at that. Yeah, no. I thought it was going to be like super like skinny and like cute, but look how that is. I mean, it do look like a slipper with a heel, but yeah, no. I don't know what this is giving, but yeah, this is definitely not going to work for me. So these will be going back. Okay, it's a no. All right, y'all, so this is going to be a no for me. Sorry. Yeah, I just can't see me doing anything with these at all. I just thought that they would be so cute on. I was going to do like the shoe with maybe some little jean shorts, a little beater. So cute. In my Balenciaga bag, but yeah, no, not gonna work. So anyway, this will conclude my video. I did the Sephora haul first, went and grabbed dinner, came back and unboxed these, and they'll be going back to the store. I actually have to go down to Saks tomorrow, so I will be returning these tomorrow. So thanks for watching my video, and I will see you on the next one.